Welcome to Sandra's Accounting Channel. This episode will be discussing the difference between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. Hope you like it. So let's see what is the difference between capital and revenue expenditure. Capital expenditure is where the money is spent on non-current asset, which involve purchasing and improving the non-current asset. And so, the asset will be capitalized and is recorded in the statement of financial position. Example of such non-current assets is like laptop, computer, machinery, building, and motor vehicle. On the other hand, revenue expenditure refer to the money spent on the daily running expenses of the business, and it is recorded on the income statement. Since they are expenses, so they will be recorded into the income statement. So for example, like rental, salary that pay to the employees, and depreciation. These are a few of the differences between capital expenditure and revenue expenditure. So for capital expenditure, you will see that purchasing a building, buying a new motor vehicle, addition to a new building, and the installation cost incurred of installing a new equipment into the business is considered as capital expenditure. Besides renting a building, repairing a vehicle, redecorating existing building, and the electricity cost of using the equipment of the business, they are all the expenses of the business, which is known as revenue expenditure. For example, in 10 March 2020, a computer which cost 6,000 ringgit is bought for business. The cost to transport the new computer is 20 ringgit, cost to install the new computer is 50 ringgit, cost to train an employee to use the new computer is 150 ringgit. And at the same time, one of the old computer needs to be repaired due to some malfunction which costs 540 ringgit. So now let's differentiate the capital expenditure and revenue expenditure in this case. So in this case, the capital expenditure will be the price of the new computer bought, which is 6,000, plus with the transportation cost of the new computer 20 ringgit, plus 50 ringgit of installation cost, and 150 ringgit to train the employee in order to use the new computer. So the total capital expenditure is 6,220. And the revenue expenditure in this case is only the repairing cost of the old computer, which is 550 ringgit. So on 10 March 2020, the bookkeeper will record the new bought computer as 6,220 into the non-current asset under statement of financial position. And on the other hand, the repairing of malfunction computer of 540 ringgit will be taken into income statement as expenses. Alright, let's have a quick recap on the topics today. So capital expenditure is the money spent on non-current asset which involve purchasing of new non-current asset and also improving the asset. And revenue expenditure is the money spent on daily operation of the business. Therefore, capital expenditure is recorded into the statement of financial position and revenue expenditure is recorded under income statement. 看完了吗？如果觉得不错的话，请记得给我一个 like、share 还有 subscribe 哦。I'll see you next time. Bye!